Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be hosting again, but I want to give my friends more custom gifts, and I want to show you in this video how I do that using a laser machine. I'm the type of person that really likes giving custom handmade gifts or gifts that really make whoever opens them feel seen and heard and that I know them really well. So this can make the process of gift giving really fun, but it can also make it really long because I will not give someone a gift that doesn't mean something to me, and also what I think wouldn't mean anything to that friend. I am so bad with cards even. I will scan cards, read each one for as long as it takes until I find the right card. My beautiful friends that are visiting me today actually met me as customers when I was vending in Midland a long time ago. They are the kind of people that are so hardworking, but also creative. And I just knew that this present would mean a lot to them. I'm gonna give them a really high quality notebook and also a great candle. I got this beautiful candle from Simon's, which is like the Bay. It's a really great department store. I also found this candle at Simon's, and these candles are so high-end looking, but simple at the same time. And the scents aren't overwhelming. They're really sophisticated, clean, which is what I prefer in a candle. And as beautiful as these candles already are, I can absolutely take them up a notch by laser engraving the lids of these guys. I specifically chose candles with a black metal lid because I know that this laser machine is able to laser engrave black metal surfaces. And on these metal lids, I want to put their name and maybe a fun little inside joke or even their picture. I'm not sure yet. I'm still deciding. And when it comes to these notebooks, I would love to laser engrave their names on here. And like typical Jerica, I waited until the last minute to do this. I'm on a time crunch, so hopefully I can get this done before they get here in a couple of hours. Let's go ahead and start. The laser machine that I'm going to be working with today is the WeCreat Lumos. And as you can see, it's pretty compact. It's actually quite portable as well, so it's something that you can take to craft shows if you wanted to. The room that I'm currently calling an office is 5 feet by 9 feet, which is pretty tight. So it's good that this guy is small because there is not a lot of room to spare. Setup was pretty easy with the Lumos. I did have a hiccup where I couldn't get my computer to find the Lumos, even though it was connected via USB. I had to kind of do a few things in order for that connection to be established. But once it was established, I was able to get to lasering right away. So let's go ahead and start lasering because I do not have a lot of time. For creating your design, WeCreat has a software called Make It, and it has a lot of features. You can definitely do it if you wanted to. And as you can see, there are quite a few options when it comes to the font. I wanted a script-like font, and you can use the software to make the text curved. But for the type of design that I envisioned, I decided to head to Canva, which makes a lot of what I wanted to do a lot easier, like removing the background of that photo. I also wanted to add an outline to really separate my friend's dark hair from the dark metal lid. And of course, because we are engraving on a black surface, I needed to invert the colors of the photo so that the engraving actually looks like the photo. One thing that I forgot to do here, which is definitely helpful, is turning that photo into a grayscale photo. That way you can play around with the contrast to truly make that image pop. I also really like Canva for its huge font library. As you can see here, there are so many beautiful cursive fonts that you can play around with. I really like the fonts that look like actual handwriting, like this font right here. I love this font so much. One thing to keep in mind with Canva is that a lot of these fonts are a part of the Pro account. So if you have just a free Canva account, then you might not have access to the full library, which is why I absolutely recommend the Canva Pro account. The WeCreat Lumos also has a handy camera, which makes placing your design on the thing that you want to engrave so easy. One thing I wish I did differently was to design the entire thing on Canva instead of just doing components and assembling it in the WeCreat Make It software. It was just too finicky doing it this way, and I ended up making a mistake, which you will see in a bit. I also really love how beginner friendly this whole software is. If you are brand new to lasering, the WeCreat Make It software has so many predetermined settings for which materials that you're going to be burning or engraving or cutting. So it really takes the guesswork out of trying to select the settings for when you want to engrave something. Like for example, for these metal candle lids, there was a black metal setting, which is what I chose to engrave this image onto these lids. For text, the laser engraving worked really fast. Where the machine slowed down was the image, and this is actually sped up. Even with the image, the entire lid took about 3 minutes to laser engrave, which I think is pretty fast. So with this design, I meant for her name to be behind her head, but because I had so many different parts going, I had 3 different layers, I made a mistake and the machine burned her name above her image, which is not how I wanted it to be. So I decided to correct that with the second lid. And because this design was just one image, it was actually really fast, only 1 minute and 20 seconds, and I think it turned out much better, a lot cleaner, and I absolutely recommend if you're going to design something, just do it all in one place so that you make less mistakes like me and it turns out way better. And for the last lid, I decided to laser engrave Jiggy because this friend really loves Jiggy a lot and she would have appreciated a candle with Jiggy's face on it, of course. And it turned out pretty good. I wish it had a little bit more contrast, but other than that, this turned out exactly how I pictured it. Now for these journals, I'm not sure if they're actually leather, but the cool thing about the WeCreat is that they have a leather setting and they have all sorts of colors. And because this was more of a teal color, I chose a green leather color for this engraving. And as I was watching it engrave, I thought, wow, this might be a little bit too deep, but it ended up looking really, really nice. And it engraved it really quickly too. This engraving took about 1 minute to do, which is so fast. For this notebook, it was a traditional leather color, so I wasn't expecting it to go too crazy, and it ended up looking pretty good as well. So remember guys, I was rushing to get these gifts done. They were very, very last minute, and I was so amazed at how quickly these gifts came together. Like, look how gorgeous this looks. Okay, I am so impressed with how everything turned out. The candles are just gorgeous. I think these turned out so good. I tried to do the elements separately in Canva, but I realized it's just so much easier to design the whole thing in Canva and then upload that image into the WeCreat. It was much faster to do it that way, and unfortunately I didn't learn that until I got to Paul's. So even though Sola's was not the greatest outcome, it still, I think, looks great. Picture of Jiggy, it's not as distinct as I was hoping for, but you still get the point, I guess. The notebooks look insane. I love how they turned out. Look how gorgeous these look. And I didn't realize with the WeCreat is that you can choose the color of the leather. And even though the material might not be 100%, I still wanted to see how they would engrave. I think maybe for these guys, it might have been a little bit too deep, but it's still really beautiful, the impact, I think, of the customization. I think my friends are going to love it. And I finished these just in time. They're gonna be here in 10 minutes. So I need to quickly wrap these up, put them in their little gift bag, and then catch up with them. I'm so excited for them to see it. Wow, this is incredible. So if this is your jam, if you love doing this kind of thing like me, I highly recommend the WeCreat. I was able to whip these up very quick, very easy. One downside was that I was not able to, or I didn't feel comfortable designing in the WeCreat software itself. Like with the xTool software, I was able to create designs solely from that software. I had to go to Canva to create my designs faster. And I think more features that I wanted for my design were definitely in Canva, but were lacking in the WeCreat software. So there's that. So it is the next day, and I had the best time with my friends last night. They loved their gifts, and that's really what it's all about, is giving them a bit of an experience and also to let them know that they have a friend who sees them and loves them. That's why I really love customized gifts, because it's not just something that they can get anywhere. It's a gift that is specifically for them. I just generally feel really lucky to have friends like that at all. And speaking of special friends, I have another project that I want to show you that I want to do on the WeCreat Lumos. So this is a super special project because my friend is pregnant and she is wanting to announce it around Christmas time. So I suggested that she do that with an ornament that has the announcement on the ornament, and this is something she can give away to family and friends in a gathering at a, on Christmas. And so not only is she giving her family and friends a kind of a practical gift, an ornament that they can hang on their tree and remember this year by, but it's a very special way to announce her pregnancy. For the ornaments themselves, I got these blanks from Amazon for a pretty low price. And what I love about these rustic pieces of wood is that it can technically go with any tree decor style because they blend so well in with the tree itself. I like that these blanks are fairly small too. So the plan is to engrave these ornaments with the announcements. She was very sweet to give me a sonogram picture that I want to engrave onto these blanks. So let me go ahead and do that so I can show you what that looks like. So exactly like with the candle lids, the WeCreat Make It software has a setting for various types of wood. I didn't really know what material this wood was, so I just selected a random wood, and I'm glad that I did because the engraving turned out amazing. The details in the sonogram picture turned out so beautiful, and I do think it's the quality of the picture that I got. I tried this again with a different sonogram picture from another mother, and it was not as crisp, so the level of detail in the outcome absolutely depends on how good of a quality the picture is that you're using. For this next batch of ornaments, I wanted to really test the camera on the WeCreat Lumos to see just how accurate the camera was. I wanted to use every bit of real estate on these guys. These ornaments were not uniform in size too, even though they were around the same circumference. There were definitely ones that were a weird circular shape. I was happy to see the camera placement was pretty accurate. Okay, I am obsessed with how these ornaments turned out. Wow. I did an ornament on the xTool machine and it did not look this good. So definitely when it comes to ornaments, or at least this type of material, I think the WeCreat blew the xTool out of the water. And as you saw, the camera was super handy with me being able to laser engrave a couple of these at once, 4 at a time. And if you get the extension or the slide extension accessory, you can probably batch engrave way more than 4 all at once. And I want to do that at some point. I'm going to experiment with it a little bit more and show you guys how you can utilize that tool to really maximize your time and laser engrave things efficiently, because it does take quite a bit of time to pull things out and look at the settings, and you have to watch it. So the more you can what's the word I'm looking for here? The more you can optimize the time that it takes for you to laser engrave, the better for you, for sure, because that opens up so many doors for turning what you're doing into a business or help you with your current business. It's just all the good things. Thank you so much to WeCreat for sending me their machine to test out. I highly recommend it. There is a link down below if you want more information. There's a really good deal happening right now, so take advantage of it. These machines are quite pricey, I'm not gonna lie. They are quite the investment, but the potential to earn that money back and then some is pretty big, as long as you're willing to learn, as long as you're a creative person. I feel like a tool like this, there's no limit to the stuff you can do with it. But that is the video today. Thank you so much for joining me and watching it. And I hope that I've inspired you and hope that you are enjoying your holidays as well. And until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and I will see you there. Bye guys.